Hey everyone, exciting news for Samsung fans. After the launch of the ultra-slim Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, Samsung is reportedly working on a Galaxy S25 Slim for 2025. This upcoming model, with a thinner design, could be a game-changer in the Galaxy lineup. According to South Korea's ET News, this slim Galaxy S25 version might only launch in select regions at first, letting Samsung test the market before a full release with the Galaxy S26 series. If successful, we could be looking at a whole new addition to Samsung's lineup. Now, as you know, Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events usually kick off the year, with the 2024 event taking place in mid-January. It seems 2025 will follow the same schedule, so keep your calendars marked for January. In the latest Galaxy S25 leaks, tipster Rin Quant shared images of phone cases, giving us a glimpse at the designs of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Based on these leaks, we can expect rounded edges, a similar button layout, and camera setups consistent with Samsung's recent style. For cameras, it's rumored that the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus will feature triple-lens back cameras, while the S25 Ultra will pack a powerful quad-lens system. A recent Geekbench result for the US version reveals an impressive 12GB RAM with jaw-dropping scores, hinting at top-tier performance. Rumors say the S25 Ultra will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which could drive up the price compared to the Galaxy S24 series. Globally, Samsung might stick with this chipset to deliver consistent power and performance across all regions, a major plus for users. As for design, the S25 Ultra will reportedly measure 162.5 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm and weigh 219 grams, offering Gorilla Glass armor and IP68 water and dust protection. No major screen changes here, so expect the stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung is also doubling down on AI with Galaxy AI, promising smart hybrid processing using both on-device and cloud computing. There's even buzz around a possible variable focal length telephoto lens, although this hasn't been confirmed. Battery life looks solid with a 5000 mAh capacity. Samsung's new battery AI software could boost efficiency by up to 10%, and we're keeping the 45W wired, 25W wireless, and 4.5W reverse charging speeds. As for the launch date? No confirmation yet, but rumors point to January 2025, just around the corner.